everybody, welcome back to my channel. So you guys know what I do. I check the coupons.com app or the website all the time, but I always go through Swagbucks because I get 1 point for every coupon that I use. So that's why I keep putting this in your guys' head. Print from the site if you print from coupons.com. But I just went on there and I saw a bunch of coupons that have reset for me. So definitely print these coupons again because some of them are great deals, especially the Huggies. But one of the Arm & Hammers reset for me. The other two did not, but this one did. So I'm still going to print that one off. I'm going to print off this Colgate enamel because it reset for me. We got the Huggies $2 off coupons. I'm actually going to do a diaper deal tomorrow, possibly with those coupons. So I want to get that. Listerine I'm definitely going to print off. Pull-ups I'm going to print off. The Huggies baby wipes. The L'Oreal looks like it reset for me. So I'm just going to print off this one because that's the product that I use. I'm also going to print off this one. The Rimmel $3 reset and the Maybelline New York mascara reset. And I'm just going to print off the Windex because this is a better coupon that we got in our inserts. The $1.50 off Clorox reset, the scrubbing bubbles, all these reset. So make sure you guys print those off if you want to do those coupons. The Rock reset for me. The Garnier, or now they added Crunchmaster. Now usually when they have Crunchmaster out, that means there's going to be a deal coming up in checkout 51. So I'm printing those off because there's some good deals possibly coming up with that. We got Glad Trash, and then we also have $1. Those two are brand new ones. So if you guys want to print those off. They added the Horizon Organic String Cheese, Metamucil, and the Frigo Cheese. Those are new coupons if you guys want to print that. Another Crunchmaster. That's 3 different Crunchmaster coupons. One's available at Walmart, one's available at Whole Foods. I'm just going to unclip that one even though you can use those at any store. Sorry, there's a bad storm, so if you guys hear some weird noise in the background, we are getting a bad storm on our way. One a day, not that. $1 off of 3 for Kellogg's, still the $1 off of 2. Keebler, $1 off of 2. Nature Valley Pop-Tarts, those coupons are still available, but I'm just going to keep on going down for you guys and showing you the coupons that did not reset for me. So I'm just going to go down, down, down. These are all ones from yesterday. And as you guys see right here, the Arm & Hammer did not reset for me. The L'Oreal did not. Neither did the Axe, Butterfinger, or the Perel, or the Cetaphil. But I just wanted to share with you guys. Print those coupons if you guys want to print those coupons because those are good ones to print. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.